I'm Ahmad Zarfan Zarzi bin Faizan Zarzi, F1111. This is my partner.
I'm Amiran Shah bin Abdurrahim, F1121. Today we'd like to show you how to change a shower head.
A ladder is used to reach the shower head. Carefully climbing the ladder since it's slippery in the bathroom.
Secondly, the shower head is turned anti-clockwise to uninstall it.
Thirdly, inspect the flag and the shower arm. Clean them to make sure there is no dirt at the shower arm. Careful, the thread may be sharp.
Next, the shower head is installed by turning it clockwise. Take extra care of the shower head, as it might damage the thread.
Finally, the stopcock is rotated anti-clockwise to test the shower and the leakage.
That's it. You successfully changed your shower head.